What's good, guys? What's good? What's happening? Hey, my G. What's good, my G? On my way to Cape Town. Bro. What's good? What's good, my G? What's up? What's happening? Ish. You know, I nearly put this on the Sport Plus and I don't have fuel yet. I ate last star one day. Come on, how do you drive, man? Why Ukwati Ninja? I'm not mad, bro. I'm just not excited because yesterday I blew a lot. But I ain't mad. I'm just not excited. So you can see that sadness face there. Yesterday. One thing about me, guys, I won't be like lying to you that I don't lose. You know, losing is part of this game. Joshua doing the building. That's good. You know, lastly, I told you guys if my hair grows, it means a lot of miracles are coming. Bro, your circle, fire. Hey, Joe. Fisa blind. Send Nasdaq in the building. What's good, my G? Fisa blind, Joe. Hey. You know, guys, today I made 2K and I was like, yeah, this is fine for me because yesterday I was busy seeing 30Ks and 20K but still blowing account. So today I was just like, let me get 2K and get out. You know, let me just get 2K and get out. You know, that was me. Why are you wearing brown? Oh, lady. You know that video says I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but that's what he said. Bro, can you what? Can you mentor me? Yeah, I can. You know, even myself, I still need mentors, you know. That's the problem, you know. Even myself, I still need mentors, bro. I still want to be mentored. So, but I can mentor you, bro. But one thing about me when I mentor someone, I'm not like soft, you know. Like, I just want you to get what I'm saying quicker. Understand? I'm not soft in the way that I'm gonna babysit you, this, that, bro. When I mean this, I mean this. And I always mean business, you get the point? So that is the problem about people. They want me to babysit them because I'm their mentor. Hey, you paid me this, that. I'm not going to babysit you. I'm gonna tell you straight if I don't want things to go like this, you know. That's me. So the only thing that it makes people to not make it is being babysitted, you know. You don't want to be told that you're gonna take losses. You don't want to be told this and that. Like, we don't work like that. This game has losses and has profit. We just have to accept, you know. You can never actually like want to win every day. But make sure that the loss that you take doesn't affect everything, you know. Like, hey, there are those losses you can see that this one is going to affect your shit. Like, very bad, you know. One thing I like about the Forex industry is like we are family, you know. We don't forget each other. If someone enters into a deal, we tend to be talking with each other, you know, to just make sure that everybody's on a cool spot, you know, because your downfall is my downfall as well. You kept on motivating me. Now you took wrong decisions. How much should I put, guys, as a fuel? 500,000. Tell me. You say a way that put it. Each life has knowledge. Yeah, it is. You know, I learn every day. You know, yesterday what I have learned is when the market start beating you, make sure that it take less cash. Like it took 30K yesterday. It's fine. By the week, maybe it could have took like 100K. It's okay. I want to show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make 500K from that. That's an investment for me. You know, you get it. That's an investment. So iyashota wapatela lo wena. How? Koro ka sithole bonus nyana mo petrol bare. At least today just pay 200. You get what you wanted. Always they want all the full amount. I know.